Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azza and RS Auto. Today I'll be making a spec key for a 2009 Camry, Toyota Camry. I have done this before using an Hotel 2, but I'm doing this using an Xhorse. Doing this using an Xhorse 2. The owner has a working key. As you can see, so you can see the car started. So, but it doesn't have a remote. Now I want to program this key. I already had it cut to program it. You can see the remote is not working. You can see that the light is blinking. Yeah, but the remote is not working. At the same time, when I insert it into the key, try to start, it refuses to start. So during the programming process, I have to capture my phone, which I'm using to record. Please stay tuned and watch till the end. Let me insert this. Now it has been inserted. Let me turn on my Bluetooth device. Yeah, connect. So the device is connected. We're going to program a Toyota. Select by area, select by type. We are doing an Immobilizer system. It's a 4D chip 67. So we are connecting. The car is not on presently. So we are doing key programming. Please make sure there must be a main key to clear or add key and to identify the main key. So switch on the ignition. So I will put on the ignition. Then it's configuring the system. So it's communicating. Insert the wanted programming key to ignition. Just insert and at the off position. So we did that. So we are waiting. So we are watching the security light. It is blinking. I don't know if you can see it. It has stopped blinking. That was rather fast. But let me go back and see. So keep programming. Please wait for 98 seconds. So while we are waiting, I don't know if you can see the security lights over there is blinking. The security light is blinking. Let me see if I can zoom in. You can see the security light. You can see it blinking. So it will soon go off. Yeah, programming succeeded. The more light keeps flashing. If the more light keeps flashing, please turn off ignition and switch and wait for about 1 minute. So let us see the more light if it has stopped flashing. It has actually stopped flashing. So with this, we should be able to start the car. With this, we should be able to start the car. Now the car has started. Using the key we just programmed now. So what is now left is to do the remote part. So we are going to try to do the remote part. So we are going to use this because there's a time we need to press. To get to a time we need to press the lock and unlock button. So we use this as a master key. So let's go back to the remote programming. Remote system. So we're going to pick type 2. Adding remote adding. Switch ignition on and open driver's door at the same time. Then click OK. So the ignition is on. So I'm going to open the driver's door. So we're clicking OK. Please complete the following operation within 30 seconds. You will hear the system beep after completing it. Press and hold the lock and unlock button for 2 seconds and later press the lock button for 1 second. So okay. I don't know if you heard the beep. So let's check and see it has been programmed. Okay. That's programmed. So to test the remote, the on section. Right, that's locked. Unlock. Lock. Please. But it has programmed. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. As you can see, let's start. Let's start the car.